Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin now. Save your work and plug the laptop in so brightness changes don't trigger sleep. Once done, close heavy apps to free resources. Hold the FN key and press the dedicated brightness down key once to test hardware control. If keys do nothing, open Windows Settings System Display or Mac OS System Preferences displays to access software controls. Make sure adaptive/sensor features are visible. This gets you ready to switch control from software to hardware if needed. You now change the software control. In Windows, turn off adaptive brightness and Intel/AMD power saving features. On Mac OS, disable True Tone and Auto Brightness. Then drag the brightness slider to 0 or press the brightness down key repeatedly until the screen is at its lowest readable level. If the slider is grayed out, open Device Manager or System Report and update the display driver. Make sure display adapter power profiles are not forcing a minimum brightness. You finish by using the manufacturer control panel or firmware if the OS prevents true zero brightness. Many OEM utilities allow 0% or off. Once applied, verify on battery and AC to confirm behavior. If the display still stays bright, install a dark overlay app temporarily, then reboot and enter BIOS/UEFI to reset display defaults. This can clear vendor-level locks. If none of this works, contact manufacturer support. Describe steps taken and your model so they can advise a hardware service or firmware update.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.